Let me show you how we can charge our iPhone 17. I'm gonna try to mention every method that is available in terms of charging. And we're gonna start with the wireless charger. In order to charge your iPhone 17 wirelessly, you just have to place it on top of the wireless charger. Usually that's all you have to do, but in case connection doesn't happen, you might need to move it around until the connection does finally happen. There we go. So in my case, I had to actually adjust it a little bit, and this is what you might need to do in case the phone doesn't start charging. Now, iPhone 17 supports G2 chargers and MagSafe, so you can choose from many different wireless chargers and choose the one that you like the most. When in crucial situations, you can also use other devices that have reverse wireless power sharing. So you can, for example, place it on top of another smartphone that has that power sharing, wireless power sharing, for example, like high-end Androids and so on and so forth, and this should work as well. And if you have a wireless charger in your car, then of course this should work as well. Now let's move on to cables. The primary way to actually charge our iPhones, and including of course iPhone 17. Now in the case of cables, what you need to do, or what you need to know actually, is that depending on the port that you need to connect to, you might need to use a different cable. Originally, we have USB-C to USB-C, so something like this, although this one is black, it doesn't really matter. This is how these cables look like. So you need, for example, a charger or power adapter that also has USB-C. If you have a power adapter that has USB type A, and let me quickly show you the example. So for example, this charger is USB type A, then in that case you need to use a cable that is USB-A on one side. So the whole cable looks like this. Now this is of course just some very specific situations. You probably are going to stick with the original cable, but this is more for those that are still using old chargers, or just power adapters from previous devices, like for example I do. So you don't have to specifically purchase a new Apple charger or power adapter. You can still use like other brands as well, like Samsung, Xiaomi, and so on and so forth. They work as well. Now, in case you don't have a power adapter or charger, but you are in a situation where you need to connect your iPhone 17 to charge it, you can use pretty much anything that provides power through the USB cable. So it can be, once again, a car, a power bank, it can be a computer, anything that you can connect to the device, to the other device that provides power through the USB port. And that's pretty much it. So of course, in case you want to use a cable and you want to start charging your iPhone, you just have to plug it into the power adapter, let's say, and then of course you connect the cable to the bottom of the phone where we have the USB-C port, and that's all you have to do. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.